Let's move on. Our next post, 309 comments on this one. I'm this is interesting to me. What do you use Grok for? So far, I have only asked for restaurants near me, but think there is so much more it can do. What a great post. 309 comments. Tori, before we jump into these comments, tell us, for those who don't know, how do we use Grok in the Tesla?
Yep. So you have to have the AMD processor, the Ryzen processor. If you have an Intel processor, you don't have Grok. Though I have heard that they have figured out a way to incorporate Grok into Intel, might be coming in the future. I don't know. We'll see. But for now, if you do have I believe 2021 and newer, at some point in 2021, they all started pretty much coming with the AMD Ryzen processors. But your voice command button, if you press it once, it's your normal voice command. If you press and hold, it opens Grok, and then you can have conversations with Grok. I'll say from a use from being useful, they've made an update here a few weeks ago that it now can interact with your car and change some settings. Like, for instance, it can adjust navigation. So if you had Grok up, you could say, uh, I wanna go to, take me to the nearest Taco Bell, then take me to 123 Jack Street, and it would navigate to both of those. To where your voice command, it would take you to one of those, so I could say, "Take me to 123 Jack Street," or I could say, "Take me to the closest Taco Bell." What I couldn't do is have it do multiple, and Grok can now interface with the car and change the navigation settings. Or if you already had FSD active, and this happened to me, I was actually headed up to the Georgia World Congress Center for volleyball, and I wanted to swing by a Chick-fil-A, and I'm like, "The way that I'm going, I don't know the best Chick-fil-A to do this." And so instead of having to go through the screen and try to add a stop, or, in navigation and say, "Take me to the nearest Chick-fil-A," which could have been the opposite direction, the nearest one, I opened Grok and I just said, "Hey, I'm en route, in navigation, but I do want to add a stop to Chick-fil-A, take me to the one that's best." And it did. So that's a real useful, uh, functionality that you can use for Grok, and more will be coming for that.
Yeah.
But now let's get into the more what these comments say, the entertainment side. Jamie Slate has a great comment, I just love it, and this one will be near and dear to your heart too as well, Rod. But, Jamie says that, they adopted 2 girls when they were babies, and they both have severe FASD, as a result of the biological mother's decisions. They look normal, but they're 15 and 16, but they're at the social level of 7 and 8. On the way to school, which is a 20-minute drive, I always ask Grok to tell them something awesome to get ready for the day. And Era, that's the name of the Grok voice, is always great and is inspiring to see them smile. As you can imagine, they have no friends at school, so Grok is a great way to start the day. I love that story.
Wow.
I love it.
That's amazing.
And then Lauren says, on my way to the grocery store, I knew I was picking up salmon for dinner, and I asked Grok for a few different options on preparing dinner. I
I love
received a
this.
lemon dill and an Asian teriyaki recommendation, along with an air fryer and cast iron skillet prep option. She asked me if I wanted ideas for sides, which I did, LOL, and I got a quick sesame, broccoli, and asparagus recipe recommendation. Out of those items to my
I'm hungry.
I know,
This
and
is
she
so good.
added those items
I
to her
might be
grocery
having
list.
salmon for dinner tonight.
Yep. I know. Don General says, "I'm a pastor, so I use it for daily devotions and to tighten up some thoughts on future sermons. I also use it for NFL and NBA scores and news on firings and trades." I've used this just for as a, as a pastor, I've used it to help with just ideas on different kind of sermons and different verses, and I'm not going to let AI write my sermon. I don't believe in that, uh, or these LLMs. That's what Grok is. It's just a educated AI chat, and, but it is very useful. I've used it as well for some business stuff on, like, "Hey, what do you think about that? What are some ways that I could grow my business?" And I have always been so impressed with what it comes up with. It's basically this is Jules Thomas. Jules Thomas comment says, "It's a professor of everything in your car. I talk to her for hours on long trips learning quantum computing and whatever else I want to learn." I do that too, uh, Jules. I'll be like, "Hey, can you dumb this down to where I would understand it?" And then the last comment I wanna mention here, Dave, I thought this was great. Dave was stuck in traffic, barely moving due to road construction. He was getting bored. So he said, "Grok, tell me a story." Grok replied, "Once upon a time," and told me a story that occupied the next 10 minutes. It was one that I'd never heard before. At the end, it said, "Would you like to hear another?" I replied in the affirmative, and it told me another, also new to me story. By the time the third story had finished, I had moved beyond the congestion and we were moving at highway speed. I haven't used it for stories, but I've been amazed at how a 45-minute trip can fly by just in talking ideas and stuff with Grok. So it is very entertaining and very smart because it has the whole internet at its fingertips. Now, I do want to point out it may not be 100% accurate, just like a professor could make a mistake, right?
Yeah.
It is a professor, but just like a professor could make a mistake and say the wrong thing, you do want to just double check and make sure that Grok is right. But I have found it to be well in excess of 90% accurate.
Yeah, I want to encourage our listeners to go to our Facebook group and 309. We could sit here and talk for an hour. I mean, Stefan says, I used to be fluent in French in my younger years. After living in the US for 40 years, I lost a lot of vocabulary. I now talk to Grok in French, and she is wonderfully patient with me, correcting my grammar and explaining words. It's actually amazing. My guess
Perfect.
1 month I guess 1 month I'll be fluent in French again. Just so many great suggestions in here, and I played with Grok one time on the way to the golf course and asked it how to fix my slice, and it actually came back with a really good comments, but this has inspired me to want to play with Grok a little bit more. Great suggestions here from the group.
Yep. It's good
All
stuff.